Do you think your dream is too big for you? Then listen carefully. This story will change the way you see your life. Even a poor boy can light up the whole world if he never gives up. This is the story of Ali, the last light. In a small village, there lived a boy named Ali. He came from a very poor family, but he had a big dream: to rebuild the old school in his village so that every child could learn and have a better future. Every day, Ali worked hard in the fields from morning till night. And at night, under a small lamp, he studied with tired eyes, but a hopeful heart. People laughed at him. They said, "This poor boy thinks he can change the world." But Ali didn't stop. He believed that dreams don't depend on money, they depend on determination. Years later, Ali went to the city and found a small job. Every month, he sent half of his salary to help the school. After 10 long years, the broken school became a strong, beautiful building. On the front gate, it said, "The Last Light School," founded by Ali Hussein. Every morning, when Ali saw children smiling and learning, he whispered softly, "No matter how dark the world is, one small light can change everything."